These are the Waterhog polyester stair tread rugs from Lowe's. They're rectangular, indoor-outdoor, and they come in these geometric patterns. This is the camel color, the actual color of it, not like it is on the website. They're one of the few that are made in the USA. You can see on the back it's extremely thick rubber, which is really nice. And we're going to use them today for an indoor application. One thing to note is the unit price on Lowe's website as of this video is $69.95, but it's hard to tell what's in that. You get 4 treads per unit. First thing I did was measure the stairs side to side to try to find the center so I could fit these with a template. And basically I kept moving it a little bit to the left, a little bit to the right, till I got an even measurement roughly on both sides. And then I would have cut something to fit this, like cardboard, but I went around and found that the boxes of Scotch tape that we got in bulk would act like a perfect bumper on either side of these, so that I didn't have to go through the effort of cutting my own template for them. And for the back, I just eyeballed it. I put the front near but not over where the tread starts to curve down so that nobody would trip on it going up. Now that I have this templated out and I have it just laying here on the stairs, I'm going to start using the tape to get the stairs ready. And for this I'm going to use the double-sided carpet tape that I bought at Lowe's as well. This specifically is made for this purpose. I have dusted off the stairs so they're free of debris. You could also clean them if your stairs require it, but just make sure that they're bone dry before you put the tape on. You will need scissors for this step because the plastic backing doesn't tear easily, but basically I'm putting down 2 horizontal strips. It recommends doing diagonal for high traffic areas, and I'm going to go back and do some side strips on this later, but to start I'm doing 2 horizontal strips. Once you get them down, then you got to take your glasses off and get in there real close with a magnifying glass and peel back the top piece of paper so that the double-sided stickiness is activated. And once you get them down, just give it a stomp with your foot or push it down with your hands to make sure there's no bubbles, and really get that glue that's sticky to activate against the rubber backing while it's still sticky. And that's pretty much it. We were able to do these in probably about 25 minutes. If the tape does start to come off, I think what I'm going to do is put some brads in there. But I think I'm going to start with the double-sided tape from Scotch, and if that works, then I will be good to go and not have to mark up these nice oak treads. And with the 8 treads horizontally, I did 2 strips per tread and a little bit of cross vertical taping on the outer edges later on where there was room. I still didn't use an entire roll, so that's just to give you an idea. I bought 2 rolls in case I needed it, but I only needed the 1 roll doing it the way I did it. But it gives us the added comfort of knowing we won't slip next time we're in our socks coming up and down the stairs. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up or share it with somebody else who you might think might enjoy it, or go ahead and hit the bell button and be notified when new ones come out. Thanks again for watching.